Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we'll be seeing how to prepare Kerala GSB style soy bajil gessi. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of black chana dal, 1 cup of chopped yam, 2 to 3 medium sized drumstick, a gooseberry sized tamarind, salt as per taste, and finally 4 to 5 tablespoons of homemade soy bajil masool. The recipe of the same is there in the top right corner of your screen or in the description box. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and transfer the black chickpeas. Wash and soak this minimum for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. After soaking, drain the excess water out of it and transfer this into a pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water and a pinch of salt and close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 4 to 5 whistles in low to medium flame or until it is well cooked. In the meantime, we will be chopping the drumstick, for which we will be taking a medium sized drumstick and chopping the top portion of it, later chopping it into medium sized pieces as shown in the video. Once done, take the yam and chop the outer skin of it, wash this thoroughly and chop this further into medium sized pieces. If your hands feel itchy while chopping the yam, you can apply little coconut oil in your hands and fingers and even in the knife, as it helps reduce itchiness. Once the pressure is down, open the pressure cooker lid and we can see that our black chickpeas is nicely cooked. Into this, add 1 cup of chopped soorno or yam and give everything a good mix. Close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 1 whistle in low to medium flame or until the soorno or yam is nicely cooked. In the meantime, to prepare the tamarind paste, take a marble sized tamarind in a bowl and add 1/3 to 1/4 cup of water and allow this to soak for some time. After soaking for about 10 to 15 minutes, give this a good mix. Filter this so that there are no impurities left in it. Next, take another mixing bowl and into that transfer 4 to 5 tablespoons of soy bajil masool and 1/3 to 1/2 cup of water and give this a good mix until it is lump free. Once the pressure is down, open the pressure cooker lid and we can see that our soorno or yam and the black chickpeas is nicely cooked. Now set this aside and next take another thick bottom kadai and into that add 1 cup of water and the chopped drumstick. Now mix this well and once the water begins to boil, close this with the lid and lower the flame to low to medium and cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once the drumstick is nicely cooked, into this transfer the pressure cooked vegetable and black chickpeas, tamarind paste and the soy bajil masool paste which you had previously prepared and give everything a good mix. Next, into this, add salt as per taste and mix everything once again. Since I was happy with the consistency, I have not added extra water. If you require, you can add little extra water and give everything a good mix. Now allow this to cook in high flame until the soy bajil gessi begins to boil. Once the gravy starts boiling, lower the flame to low to medium and cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes until the oil starts separating from the gessi. Now your delicious soy bajil gessi is ready. This is an excellent side dish which you can have along with rice. So do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.